All right, I'm going to show you a real strategy, not just a theory or telling you how to go and create a quick PDF using free tools and then going out and spamming the internet like Facebook groups, and then you're going to make $1 million tonight, right? You guys have all seen hundreds of those videos. They just simply don't work. But I'm going to show you how I was able to make $4,000 in the last 30 days from one video selling one software on this platform. You can see the proof right over here. I can actually go over here to the refresh button, push refresh, and you'll see that this is actually real. I'm in my real account right over here. So this is the last 30 days right here. You can see sometimes I have some good days. I sold the product again, made $100 that day a few days ago. And then what we'll do is I'll come over here and show you a couple other earnings proofs, some other software that I sell right over here. Here's unpaid, $3,700, almost $10,000 on this account. We'll come to another one. This one is another popular AI writing software right over here. And I've been paid over $12,000 right here. And then we'll come over here and log into another account and I can go and refresh this. You can see January 1st, 2024 to December 11th, 2024. I'm making the video on December 11th. You can see it right there, proof. And then we can go over here and I'm literally going to just push apply right here. It's going to refresh for us right here. And we're at $31,000 in earnings on this account right here. I could keep going, but I'm going to leave right there because this should be enough proof for you to see that this stuff just simply works, right? So what did I do? I promised you that I will show you exactly what I did in order to make $4,000 from one single video. So let's come over here. I'm going to go to one of my channels and I teach you all about this stuff for free. I'll leave a link below. I have a paid community as well. I'm not going to leave that in this video. I'm only going to leave you the free community underneath the first link in the description. You can come and join my free community. There's a 3-hour free course for you. Don't need to buy anything from me in order to go out there and start making this happen for yourself. I'm giving you high value in this video. And like I said, you don't need to buy anything from me, nothing in it for me right now. If you want to join a free community and get a free course, that's cool, but you don't have to do that. You can literally learn from what you're learning from in this video and go out there and make it happen for yourself as well. Now, it's not going to happen overnight. I'm going to get to you to the bottom line in just a minute and tell you really the secrets, right? You guys want to know the secrets on how to make money with affiliate marketing in 2025? Well, I'm going to tell you those exact secrets and strategies inside this video. So make sure that you stay till the very end of this video. It's very, very important. Okay. So here is one of my channels. It's a Faceless YouTube channel. Sometimes I'm on camera, but 99% of the time I'm not on camera. You can see we're approaching 650 videos on the channel. We can go over here and look at channel stats. We're at 67,000 views, and that's actually a lot of views for my channel. Usually I'm between 40 and 50,000 views on any given month. And we had a really, really good, strong November and a lot of growth. We can see the consistency. I'm usually between 17 and 20 videos every single month on the channel. I do software tutorials and software reviews on the channel, right? I mean, the channel art is simple. I grabbed this logo 4 years ago, slapped it up. I grabbed the icon from like Canva, and then I just chose this color just because I just chose the color. I didn't even really no thought went into it. And I think you can tell by my logo, there's no thought that went behind this. I kept it right here, and I just like the simplicity. Some people said that I'm in need of a rehaul, a renew of my logo. I just don't care. I just want to keep it real simple for people, right? But we can come over here into videos and let me show you the exact video that I created. We come down here, you can see that I just posted a video 34 minutes ago. I posted a video 22 hours ago, and I had a really good video, right? 2.6x. That means that it's got more than 2 times the amount of views within that time frame that I normally get on my videos, because you can see another 500 right here, and then 1,000 views right here. So I average between 500 and 1,000 views at any given time. And then some videos pop off more than others. We had a video recently. Let's keep scrolling down here just to show you. Right here, we had a 7,000 view video. And then before that, we had a 31,000 view video right there popped off. And it got 33 times the amount of views that I normally get. So that one was super, super cool. But what did I do in order to make that $4,000? Let me find the video real quick. So right over here, we had a video that didn't even get 3,000 views, right? It got 2.8 thousand views. I created this video 3 weeks ago. It's one video right here, and that is what resulted in these $4,000 in sales. If I go over here and I go to actual stats If I go into my stats right here and I look in the last 30 days, we go like this, and you'll see right here that Nuri Creator right here had an over $4,000, like $4,071. We had a 27% conversion rate. No one teaches this stuff. Literally, an industry standard is 3% or less. Most people are getting 1% and 2%. We were able to get almost a 30% conversion rate. We made 117 sales. That's not a lot of traffic right here, but it's quality traffic. It's exactly what works. This business works. So look, we have all these other products right over here, but look, $4,000 all came from one product right here over the last 30 days. This will show you any product that I made money from. This proves to you that I am not a Warrior Plus affiliate that goes out and just videos and tries to promote every product and say every product is good. Because I can tell you right now, one of the secrets that I'm revealing in this course is that 99% of the products that people are releasing on Warrior Plus are complete garbage and crap. Trust me, I've been there and done that. I've been doing this for 15 years. When I first got started, I tried all kinds of methods of grabbing, going out and doing what's called launch jacking and doing reviews on all these products. You don't want to get in the middle of trying to build a real brand of people that know, like, and trust you based on crappy products. So don't do that, okay? But when a good product comes out from a good creator and a good vendor, then you can put that on your channel and it will hit and you will make some really good money, okay? So that is secret number one, is that you don't want to promote crappy products, okay? Another thing that you can do in order to prevent yourself from crappy products is that I can go over to a site called Munch Eye, right? This is a launch calendar. And if we go in here, I can tell you right now, like this guy right here, he's probably not going to have good. So we can go over here, you click on this link, and then you go into the JVZoo document, and then you can say, hey, I want to promote this product. And it should take you over to the product where you can go over here. Look, he's gotten no sales on this. They just launched this product. But what I would really want to encourage you to do is go in over here and click on the vendor icon there. There's 3,600 views right here. So 3,600 sales, and they're averaging a 2.2 star rating. And I know that this isn't the only account that this person has, because he has far more sales than this, but he's using his name. He created another account and he still can't, he tried to create another account is what it looks like, because the same guy that created this, I can tell you, when we go back over to Munch Eye, I can tell you that this Venkata Ramana, this is a big time seller, has probably sold over 100,000 sales on the platform. For him to have an account that only has 3,600 sales on it, it just tells me that he created a new account because his reviews were so bad that he finally had to create a new account. And you can still see that he cannot get good reviews because he just creates crappy products. No good products here, okay? And so don't get caught up in promoting these products. I recommend about a 3.8 stars or higher in order to promote the products. And you'll quickly see that when you dive into promote these products, that 95+% of these vendors, I can literally go back. We can go back over to Munch Eye and we can go and click on another one right over here. So let's just go and look at this one right over here and then go click in here. And this is how you do this, guys. If you want to promote good products, even on Warrior Plus, you can go in here, and I'm going to go into click on the affiliate link right over here so that we can go check the vendor's account out. And then we'll click over here on their account, and you'll see again 1.94 rating, 1.94 star rating right here, and 11,000 sales. So do you think that if you made 11,300 sales and you didn't even have a 2-star rating, you probably make crappy products, right? And so don't go after this, because guess what? Even though you might make some quick sales, his product sells each time. There's a massive amount of hype, and there's just this whole formula that goes behind this. Affiliates are incentivized because there's contests and they're going to get paid to do this. Now, that is how they're able to push this product out and make it better than it actually is. The customers are who actually rate these, give the product its ratings, and the overall customer is not having a good experience with these products because they give them crappy ratings, okay? So don't get caught up in this. You might make a few sales, but then your name will get tarnished, your reputation. People will not know, like, and trust you. They're not going to show up on your next video review because you just told them about buy this other software and it was a piece of crap, right? So you want to be valuable, give value to your audience, okay? So how do we actually go about doing all this, guys? And so you can actually start going out there and making sales like this from one video. You could go out there and promote crappy products daily, 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 and then you probably won't even make $4,000. But if you can find the right products and the right vendors, then you can fully promote those products and you can actually make really good money like I did right here. Another thing that I want to go through is just simple. I told you I would tell you and reveal to you exactly what to do. Well, what did I do over here? I showed you the exact video. I showed you the exact video that I created right here, right? It's a 29-minute video. It got 2,800 views, and this is what was responsible for making $4,000, right? Okay. So I revealed to you the video that I made money, and I'm going to reveal to you the exact steps that you need to know in order to make this happen. But what I will tell you is don't go over here, and I'm going to go over here to YouTube for fun. I'm going to type in make money online, and then you can see who's ranking. This guy probably creates pretty good content. It's an older gentleman, and he has 4 million subscribers. So whatever he's doing, the content he's creating is really, really good. I'm not going to, I don't watch his channel or anything, but I'm not going to say anything bad about what he's doing. These big, big channels right over here, leveraging their authority in order to teach you about making money online. But when you come down here and you start looking at these types of videos where people are saying, get paid $1,000 a day with Google, free method, right? Make money online. This is the stuff you need to stay away from. When you see this, run. Now, I might actually put a title like this in my videos, but you can come and see that I'll be teaching you methods like what I'm teaching you right now, which is to create quality content, do quality reviews, build an audience that knows, likes, and trusts you, and then the money will come after that. You don't go here and start making this money. When we come through here, this guy's gonna go and just tell you how to do all this stuff and go and you can build websites and make money and stuff. And then look, he's using Wondershare as his product over here. And then look, boom, first affiliate link is to go and sign up to Wondershare so he can get paid as an affiliate. So he's making this video that has nothing to do with making money online. Actually, the method does not work. It stinks. But then he's getting people, telling people that they must have this software in order to make it happen. And so there's just a lot of ethical things that I just choose not to do in my business, which is tell you, I'm not going to tell you about a money online method that simply doesn't work and hasn't been proven and that I have not done myself. And then I'm going to tell you that you need this software in order to go and do this fake make money online opportunity, because this guy is literally making money off of the software he's trying to promote as an affiliate. Okay. So this guy is an affiliate marketer doing what I'm telling you to do. I just do it in a different way. I actually teach you the real method, okay? So beware, be very careful. No one over here is actually making money with these methods right over here. And a lot of these comments, I think, are actually purchased comments as well. So don't do that. So here are the steps, okay? So you want to build an audience. This is a theme you're going to hear throughout my videos, because you do need to build an audience, because if you don't have an audience to go out and tell something about, right? Like if I have a product comes out and then I want to tell the world about it, or I want to tell my audience about it, I can't tell my audience because I don't have an audience, right? So the first thing you should be working on right now, today and tomorrow, and the next 6 months is building a quality audience that knows, likes, and trusts you. And how do you do that? You do that by creating real content, of valuable content. Okay. So how do you build an audience? Simple marketing strategy that has been around forever, since the 80s, since the 90s, since before then, right? Provide value. All you have to do is provide value, and then people will subscribe to your YouTube channel and they're going to want to hear more about what you have to say. Okay. The more value you give, the more money you will make. It's a simple formula, but it straight up works. Think about giving out real ethical advice, real professional value, and then people will subscribe to your channel and they'll want to watch your next video because your other video was so helpful. Okay. So then step 2, you're going to want to pick a non-shitty product. So I already went and showed you how to do that, right? Is basically don't pick crappy products. That's simple. Just if you're going to promote something, don't promote crappy products. And if you do end up getting involved with a product and it is shitty product, then tell your audience about it. Don't get into the, trying to get, there's people that have done this too. And I kind of warn against doing this as well, where every video is picking apart a bad product. You're going to be known. It's just not really a good thing to do in the industry, to intentionally go and try to bash people as well. But if you're giving it an honest run and you're really reviewing a product and it's just crappy, reveal that in the video and reveal your rating. Don't give it a 5-star rating or a 4.5 and say, go get this item. Say it's a 2.7. It's just a waste of money. I probably wouldn't pick this up. And then you could tell them, but hey, if you want a better product, to go get this one or something like that, right? And you'll get even more credibility if you don't even offer anything in that video. If you literally post your video, especially when you're beginning and starting out and you have no audience and you want more subscribers, put that video, that honest review video out there and say, yeah, it's a 2.9 star rating. I'm not going to pick this up myself, or I'm not going to use this software. And then say, make sure to subscribe. I'm not going to put an affiliate link below or anything. I just want to provide value and honesty to you. And then boom, you're going to get more people that are going to subscribe to that particular video because there was nothing in it for you in order to make money. You didn't put the affiliate link, and you also didn't even offer an alternative. That's going to get more people to come back to your videos the next day. And there'll be a time and a place for providing the alternative. There'll be a time and a place for you to tell them that, hey, this is a crappy product, but here's what I would do instead. Pick this product up. It's way better, something like that, right? But don't do that every time. Don't sell all the time, right? Provide valuable content. So I already told you how we do that. If you're looking at products, you can always go and look at reviews. You can look at Trustpilot reviews. If you're selling Warrior Plus and JVZoo products, you can always go and look at their vendor profile. And if they're not averaging a minimum of a 3.5 star, they're not even worth looking at. And then I like to go with about a 3.8 star or higher. And then if you focus on those vendors, they create good quality products, and that you can feel good about recommending and promoting those products. So that's how you do it. You just look at the reviews and so forth, right? And even for Warrior Plus, like a product is launching and you don't have reviews on it yet because it's new, you use the history of them. Like I just showed you, you use the history of the product and the vendor. Does the history show that they create crappy products? And if they do, and they have a 1.94 star rating, they're not worth me even looking at their new product, because chances are 99% of a chance that it's going to be a crappy product as well. Okay. So then finally, step number 3, what do we do in step number 3? Well, you do a real proper review of the product. This is very important, right? So many times you go and you look at people doing reviews of products, and what they do is they just take footage from the sales page or something. They throw it into a video, and this has been just awful training that other affiliates have told you to do. And guess what? You build no credibility, you build no trust, you build no real audience. So don't go put together generic, crappy videos. If you don't have your hands on the product, or if you can get access to it for free, great. But beginner affiliates on Warrior Plus are not able to do that. So I recommend going out and purchasing the front end. Most of the front end products are only $7. It's worth making the video so you can get out there and get real views so people can see, oh, they actually have the product. Cool, I'm going to stay on this video. Trust me, people are going to watch your video. You're going to get more watch time, which is going to rank your video higher as well, because people are watching longer of your video. Your retention is higher. All right. So this is the step 99% of affiliate marketers miss. If you don't provide value in this, it's an in-depth review, and people are not going to watch your video or trust you. They definitely won't watch your future videos if all you've done is go and take from the sales page and thrown it up and then posted that. Like it's not a video. It doesn't have your voice. It doesn't have your opinion, and it doesn't have you actually dissecting the product to see if it actually works, right? So this is it right here. There's nothing else. What is the other thing that you would need to do? Well, guess what the next part is? And I'm not even going to put it as a step. You rinse and repeat. So if you learn to rinse and repeat this on a daily basis, then this is the formula to success for YouTube and affiliate marketing. Rinse and repeat. Pick products, review them properly, make sure you have them in hand, and give a proper review to them. You build an audience, and then the next time a video hits and you actually have an audience, you'll be able to go out there and tell your audience all about it, and potentially you could get a result like I got right here with not even 3,000 views, but 2,800 views is all it took. And those are valuable, high value views that allowed me to make $4,000 from one video. So make sure to like and subscribe on this video. I'll leave one link in this video, and it's to my free community where you can get a free course and learn from like-minded people. Thanks for joining me in this video, and I'll see you in the next video.